This is a liquid nitrogen branding technique. Despite the white vapor rising from the branding iron when it's applied to animals, the process itself does not inflict pain on cattle or horses. This method is known as freeze branding. Traditionally, branding was done using a red-hot iron directly on the animals, causing intense burning sensations that were extremely painful for them. However, with liquid nitrogen freeze branding, the pain is significantly minimized, and in some cases, the procedure can be completed without the animal feeling any discomfort at all.